Okay, so an urn contains 10 balls, 4 red and 6 blue. A second urn contains 16 red balls and an unknown number of blue balls. A single ball is drawn from each urn. The probability that both balls are the same color is 0.44. Calculate the number of blue balls in the second urn. Okay, so I know that 0.44 is equal to the probability of getting a red ball in the first urn and getting a red ball in the second urn, or getting a blue ball in the first urn and getting a blue ball in the second urn. Since I know that getting a red ball in and the red ball in the first urn and a red ball in the second urn is mutually exclusive to the event of getting a blue ball in the first urn and a blue ball in the second urn, I can rewrite this as, so mutually exclusive, 0.44 is equal to the probability of R1 intersection R2 plus the probability of blue 1 intersection blue 2, right? And of course, since I know that drawing a red ball from the first urn is independent of drawing a red ball from the second urn, same with the blues, I know since these are independent events, that 0.44 is equal to the probability of R1 times the probability of R2 plus the probability of blue 1 times the probability of blue 2, right? Now I just got to find the probability of R1, R2, blue 1, and blue 2, right? So let's see. The probability of R1 is, so it was 4 out of 10, right? Getting a red ball, since there's 4 red balls out of 10 total. So that means the probability of getting a blue one would be 6 out of 10, right? And the probability of getting a red in the second urn, so there are 16 red balls and an unknown number of blue balls. So it would be 16 over 16 plus x, where x represents the number of blue balls, right? And then the probability of getting a blue ball in the second urn would be x out of 16 plus x. So now this gives me that 0.44 is equal to 4 out of 10 times 16 over 16 plus x plus 6 out of 10 times x over 16 plus x. Okay. Now I have a common denominator with these fractions, so I can rewrite this as 0.44 is equal to 4 times 16 over 10 times 16 plus x, and then I could write plus 6x, because these are common denominators. I can combine the numerators, right? Now I can multiply both sides by 10 times 16 plus x. 10 times 16 plus x. That'll give me 4.4 times 16 plus x is equal to 4 times 16 plus 6x, because these will turn into 1, right? So that'll give me 4.4 times 16 plus 4.4x is equal to 4 times 16 plus 6x. I can subtract 4.4x from both sides and 4 times 16 from both sides to get 0.4 times 16 is equal to 1.6x. Divide both sides by 1.6 to get 4 is equal to x. Okay, so I know the number of blue balls in the second urn would have to be 4.